Click on the link below to get price. The Hewlett Packard E5450 BL460C G1 kit is a robust solution for businesses seeking a reliable blade server that performs well in demanding environments. One of its standout features is the dual-socket architecture, which allows for significant processing power, accommodating two Intel Xeon E5450 processors. This setup is ideal for resource-intensive applications, providing impressive performance metrics that cater to virtualization, data processing, and enterprise-level tasks. The BL460C G1 comes equipped with a solid memory capacity, supporting up to 64 GB of DDR2 RAM. This ample memory enables smooth multitasking, ensuring that applications run efficiently without noticeable lags. Moreover, the server supports various RAID configurations, enhancing data protection and redundancy, which is crucial for businesses prioritizing data integrity. In terms of connectivity, the E5450 offers a variety of options, including multiple gigabit Ethernet ports, facilitating seamless network integration and management. The ease of installation into HP's Blade System C-Class chassis is another advantage, simplifying deployment and maintenance for IT teams. The chassis itself supports hot-swappable components, allowing for minimal downtime during upgrades or repairs. From an energy efficiency perspective, the BL460C G1 has been designed with power-saving features that can help reduce operational costs in the long run. While it may not be the latest model available, its performance remains competitive compared to newer servers in its class. However, prospective buyers should note that the server may not support the latest technologies, such as NVMe or cutting-edge storage solutions, which could be a limitation for organizations looking to future-proof their infrastructure. That said, the HP E5450 BL460C G1 kit remains an excellent choice for businesses needing a dependable, cost-effective server that balances performance with value. Its proven reliability and solid performance make it a worthwhile investment for any enterprise environment.